Welcome back to the QuickBlox AI Agent tutorial series, designed to help you build, customize, and get the most out of your QuickBlox AI assistant. In this video, we'll show you how to add an AI assistant to your website using the built-in widget. Start by opening your AI assistant, then click on the Widget tab at the top of the screen. This is where you configure how your assistant appears and behaves on your website. To begin, tick the option to add to your website. Next, enter a widget name. This is just for your reference. You can also upload an image that will be used as the widget icon, such as your logo or an assistant avatar. Once the widget is enabled, you will see two different code snippets. The first snippet allows you to embed the assistant directly into a web page. This option works best when you want the chat experience to be part of a specific page layout. Let me show you how this looks on a live web page. Simply copy this snippet and paste it into your web page code. After adding the snippet, refresh the page. You should now see your AI assistant appear exactly as configured. Send a message to confirm that everything is working as expected. The second snippet adds the assistant as a floating button. This is the most commonly used option and allows users to access the chat from anywhere on your website. You can choose an image or icon for this floating button and add it right here. Now let's switch to this snippet and see how it looks on the site. Once loaded, open the widget and send a message to confirm that everything is working correctly. Even after the chatbot has been added to your website, you can always return to the dashboard to configure additional features and make further adjustments. No changes will be required in the website's code. This gives you full control to fine-tune the experience at any time. Let us now see how to enable voice chat features in the widget. Go to the Widget Features section and enable the Speech-to-Text option. Remember to click Save at the bottom of the screen each time you make a change. Next, go back to your website and refresh the page. You will now see the option to enable voice chat in the settings icon at the top right corner of the widget. Once enabled, click on the mic button, ask a simple question like "How can I get started with QuickBlox?" and check that everything is working properly. Next, scroll down to customize the welcome message. This is the message users see when they first open the chat. You can use this to set expectations, offer help, or guide users on what they can ask. Another great feature is the attachments section. Enabling this feature allows users to send files, images, and other attachments directly to your AI agent. Let us enable it and see how it works. Simply upload an image using the attachment option, send it to the chatbot, and the AI agent will process it and provide a response. There are also a few optional settings available directly within the widget. Move to the Handover button section. While we will cover how to configure human handover in more detail later in this tutorial series, let us see how it appears in the widget for now. Enable the Human Handover button option. You can also customize the text displayed on the button if required. Depending on your use case, you can enable features such as Human Handover or Connect webhooks. Before embedding the widget, it's a good idea to review the security settings. Here you can restrict where your assistant is allowed to run by specifying approved domains. This helps prevent the widget from being used on unauthorized websites. Your AI assistant is now live on your website and ready to engage with users. In the next video, we'll show you how to enable human handover so conversations can seamlessly transition from AI to a real person when needed. Be sure to continue the series to unlock the full power of your AI assistant.